And now we are discussing about money making options. In that today we are discussing about to take on house cleaning jobs. There is a variety of platforms online that you could tap into for doing this, or you could simply score your neighborhood or post on a social media platform. You could use Amazon's home services for this as well, or you could create your own simple one-page website to advertise. Either way, this is a terrific way to make upwards of $20 per hour or more doing a job that is often in high demand. You could easily make this a long-term gig if you perform well and don't cut corners. So house cleaning jobs is also very demanding jobs nowadays, because in olden days joint families will be there. In those joint families, one person will do cleaning and another person will do coloring and another person will do with water cleaning rooms. All these will be there. But nowadays micro families are there. Suppose if they want to clean and getting a good colors to their home means they should take the help of house cleaning jobs. They will do painting also, cleaning also, everything they will do. But all these house cleaning jobs means first you can get it in a website, Google website, google.com, search engine is there. In that your area, location, house cleaning jobs, comma, location. If you put it, you will get so many websites will come. In that you can, nearer to your area, you can select it and talk to them and talk with them, let them come to your home and talk to them and consider and negotiate all the costs and all these, and they will do in time. Time is also most important. I will do means this month or next month, when they will do. So in what time they will come and which time they will complete it, and duration and service charges, everything you should clearly talk in before. Then only you can submit to them. You can give an offer to them. Likewise, house cleaning jobs are very good business nowadays, and it is very fruitful to the customers and to the companies also. Wishing you all the best.